Exposing the magic in AI. Our new AI-powered IT venture is more than just a launch, it's a revolution. We are standing on the brink of something extraordinary. The launch of our AI-powered IT business isn't just another step, it's a leap toward reshaping industries and transforming lives on a global scale. Behind the scenes, our team is working tirelessly to deliver not just a product or service but a vision, one that empowers innovation, fuels progress, and opens doors to unprecedented opportunities. Imagine AI tools that streamline your business operations, predictive analytics that keep you ahead, and personalized insights that drive your strategies. This is the power of our AI. Your unwavering belief is our strength. Together, we're not just launching a business, we're creating a movement. Get ready to be part of a transformation that will echo around the world. Thank you for your trust, enthusiasm, and commitment. The wait is almost over, and it will have been worth every second. Let's change lives together. The future of AI is here. Join us.